Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Hey everyone! Welcome back. Have you ever wondered how big companies automate their daily work? Today, we are breaking down two huge technology terms you hear all the time, RPA and AI agents. They both help automate tasks, but they work in completely different ways. Let's make it super simple. First, let's look at RPA, which stands for Robotic Process Automation. Think of RPA like a super-fast digital assistant that follows strict, step-by-step instructions. It loves simple, repetitive, structured tasks like copying customer data from an online form directly into a spreadsheet. It doesn't think or reason, it just follows the exact recipe you give it. Now, what about an AI agent? An AI agent is more like a smart human worker. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence, it can reason, plan, adapt, and make decisions. Instead of following rigid steps, you give it a goal, and it figures out how to reach that goal on its own. It excels at messy, unstructured tasks, like reading open-ended emails or chatting with customers. Let's see how a bank uses both. When you apply for a loan, an RPA bot automatically copies your basic form details into a database. Fast and simple. Next, an AI agent steps in to read unstructured documents like tax returns and evaluate risk factors. But because of financial rules and fair lending regulations, a human manager stays in the loop to review the AI agent's evaluation and give final approval. Here is another huge difference: what happens when software changes? If a website button moves slightly, an RPA bot gets confused and breaks because its fixed rules fail. An AI agent, on the other hand, can visually scan the updated screen, understand the new layout, and adjust dynamically without stopping. Because of this, businesses don't actually choose one over the other. Instead, they combine them. Think of the AI agent as the brain that makes smart decisions, and RPA as the fast digital hands carrying out routine tasks. This team-up gives companies the best of both worlds. To wrap it up, RPA follows fixed rules for simple, repetitive jobs, while AI agents use reasoning to adapt and solve complex problems. Which tool sounds most useful for your daily work? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.